Use this guide to help your language stay unbiased and inclusive. Racial bias can be implicit. Often it is done unintentionally. Never mention race. Don't use terms like native speaker. Have a look online for text analysis tools that will help you identify bias. Value alignment doesn't mean hire more of the same. A standardized interview is fairest. If it's possible, hire blind. Unintentional gender bias can reduce your available talent selection. Men are far more likely to apply for jobs when they don't meet the criteria. Make sure your job adverts only list criteria that are an actual minimum requirement. Remove gender-coded words from job titles and advert text. Many of these come from historically gendered roles, such as fireman, hostess, chairman, waitress. Some candidates may find them very problematic and old-fashioned. As well as job titles, beware of female and male-coded words. Words such as nurture, sensitive, and empathetic are seen as female. Male-coded words include aggressive, assertive, and superior. Age discrimination cuts both ways, against both younger and older candidates. With people living longer and retiring later, the workforce is aging. A third of UK workers are over 50. The vast majority of older workers say age discrimination is very common. Avoid age-loaded phrasing like the below examples. Recent graduates may be used specifically for a graduate program, but not elsewhere. Let applicants know your workplace welcomes and values all candidates. Highlight where you are willing to make flexible accommodations to support workers with disabilities. Again, consider your use of unintentionally exclusive language. Review the job requirements and see if they need rephrased, like these examples. Placing initiatives like parental leave, flexible working practices, and LGBTQ+ support in plain sight shows you are an employer who takes diversity, flexible working, and inclusivity seriously, and will make you a much more attractive option for job seekers.